Since the 70s, there has been a strong rivalry between quartz watches and mechanical ones. This rivalry exists because quartz watches became superior in nearly all technical aspects. To be straightforward, 99% of times, a quartz one will always be better. If you're looking for reliability, buy a quartz watch. The movements are less fragile, so you don't have to worry about impacts from sudden movements. You just need to remember to change the battery when it runs out. If you want something practical, a quartz watch is your best friend because you put it on and you don't have to adjust anything. It's generally already set to the right time and date, so you literally don't have to worry about making adjustments. Just wear it and you're ready to go. If you're looking for a watch that's precise, there's nothing more accurate than quartz. While a mechanical watch may vary by 3 seconds a day, the best adjusted one will vary between 2 or 3 seconds a day. Quartz can have a variation of just 1 second a month. Even the basic movement. It's crazy. Just imagine the precision of quartz is spectacular. In fact, in the 70s, they conducted tests called the Observatory tests in Switzerland, and all brands sent their best watches, usually chronometers, to see which ones were the most accurate. Seiko began sending its quartz watches, and gradually they gained traction in this competition. In the first year, they ranked 15th. In the second year, they were in 3rd place. And in the 3rd year, the results were never published and the observatory tests were cancelled. You draw your own conclusions. Although purists can sometimes be a bit negative about battery-operated watches, I think no one can deny that if you look at it objectively, a quartz watch is basically all you need. They are durable, inexpensive, precise, and low maintenance. If you want a watch just to tell the time, look no further than a quartz watch. It has everything you need. It should also be noted that not all quartz watches are cheap, and not all quartz watches are the same. There are luxury quartz watches with the ability to thermal compensate the movement to maintain even greater accuracy. And let's be honest, there are Cartier, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet quartz watches. In fact, I have one of these quartz watches in my collection, and it's the most comfortable watch I own because it being quartz makes it extremely slim and practical. Since I don't have to worry about setting the time, I just take it out of the box, put it on, and I'm good to go. And I think that for people who are a bit busier, I think quartz watches are definitely worth it, and I think they don't get the recognition they deserve. But let me know in the comments, what do you think? Would you buy a quartz watch?